Hi, it's Rita with WTI, and today I'm going to show you some amazing before and afters. If you have kids like me, you know they leave sticky messes everywhere. So I just cleaned my entire van top to bottom with this, and I'm going to show you some awesome before and afters. The steam feature worked really great on the front of my console, so I didn't get too much moisture. I had spilled some soy sauce down the front, and those buttons were sticky. I kind of went back and forth on my gray leather seats to show the difference in that just that one line makes with the SteamShot, and then my disgusting cup holders that get very sticky with all the coffee and hot chocolate that I spill. Makes a huge difference. You just steam it, wipe it out with a cloth, and all the stickiness is gone. No chemicals needed at all. And then this next cup holder is in the back seat. That gets really bad for my kids. Just a word of caution when you're removing the top, be very careful, especially if you're trying to refill in the middle of using it. It's really hot inside, so when you pour the water in their nice little dispenser they give you, it will kind of bubble out. You might want to wait for it to cool a little bit, but it comes with amazing different attachments. This extension I basically leave on there all the time, but there's all sorts of different tools that you get with it, and I like that these come in different colors because this one I used on my oven to get all the grease off, so I don't want to use it in my car, so I'm saving the green one for my car. All in all, this thing is amazing. Like I said, if you have sticky little children like me, you need to pick one up. That's my point of view.